Shared today with red peach tree and onion. Optimal techniques for grafting. Method for early flowering and fruiting of dwarf plants. In the end, you will gain a lot. Please see the operation below. First, take a healthy branch of a hard peach tree without disease. Head cutting and peeling. Hollow out the onion. Add root powder. Insert branch. Now plant in pots. Water thoroughly. Put it in a cool and ventilated place and cover it for protection. 52 days later. New shoots have sprouted. At this time, the roots have grown. See here. Believe in your youth. Light up the little red heart to support me. It can be transplanted into pots. In order to ensure the survival rate of later transplanting, it is recommended to use organic nutrient soil. Because the soil is loose and breathable, good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Put bananas in the soil. Banana peels can be made into a natural liquid. Organic fertilizer can promote rapid rooting. Another layer of rice husk ash. Just pour water. Advantages of fruit tree grafting or cuttings. It is an excellent trait that can maintain ear formation. Early fruiting of dwarf plants. Follow me and see you next time. Thank you.